Hello everybody. The foundation is done. Well, except for the garage floor and the front porch. They're going to pour that soon, but other than that, the foundation is done. And as you can see behind me, we have framing that's starting. And this that you see behind me, they've done that all today. So the framing, I think, is going to go pretty quickly. I imagine that by next week they're going to have the sheeting on top of the floor joists, and it's going to be my turn. I'm going to be working on the plumbing. And I've decided that I'm going to do plumbing in PEX. The reason I decided on PEX is I've been doing research on it, and what I've found is that the life expectancy of PEX is about equivalent, maybe a little bit longer than copper. It's definitely a lot cheaper than copper, a lot easier to work with than copper. So that's the reason that I've chosen PEX. So I'll be doing a video of how I do the PEX. On another note, if you didn't notice on the last video that I did, 2 videos ago I guess, there was a new shirt that I was wearing that you may not have seen. I have t-shirts for Jacob's Triangle now. There's a link down below. If you want to have one of the Jacob's Triangle shirts, you can go down there and order yourself one from Teespring. I would really appreciate it because it's going to help me out. It's going to help me pay for this. And with the framing work going fairly quickly, I'm going to see how it goes, but it's possible that it's going to go so quickly that I may end up having to do daily updates, because I'm afraid that there's going to be too much happening too quickly to try to comprise everything down into one weekly video. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to let you take a look out across there. As you can see, there's still a hole there in the middle where they didn't get all of the floor joists in, but this is quite a bit that they got done in one day. I'm pretty impressed with how quickly it went. I'll walk around and let you take a look at some other places. So there's our piers and our beams and our engineered truss floor joists. This would be our rim. I think I call that the rim, and then underneath it is the mud sill. And of course, it's all the bolts, nuts, washers to bolt it down to the foundation. Don't want any Wizard of Oz house blowing away going on here. Okay, there's today's update. Please subscribe. I'll put my face up here. Click on my face to subscribe so you can follow this build, or you can click on the subscribe button down below. Hit the thumbs up to let me know that you like the video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the progress and how quickly it's going. Things are going to go pretty quick now. So until probably next week, I will see you later. Thank you for joining me.